Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake without a funnel. You'll learn how to create this classic fare treat right in your own kitchen, even if you don't have a specialized funnel. We'll explore simple household items you can use to achieve that signature swirled shape, ensuring crispy, golden brown results. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, homemade dessert, finished with a generous dusting of powdered sugar. First, let's prepare our simple funnel cake batter. In one bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of whole milk, 2 large, lightly beaten eggs, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, whisking until the batter is smooth. It should have a pourable consistency, similar to a thin pancake batter. Now for the fun part, frying without a funnel. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a deep pan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a liquid measuring cup with a spout, a plastic squeeze bottle, or even a Ziploc bag with a snipped corner. Carefully drizzle about half a cup of batter into the hot oil in a circular and crisscross pattern. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, until it's beautifully golden brown. Once your funnel cakes are golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the hot oil. Place them on a paper towel-lined plate or a wire rack to drain any excess oil. The final, essential step is a generous dusting of powdered sugar. Do this while the funnel cakes are still warm for the best adherence. Serve them immediately to enjoy that perfect crispy exterior and soft interior. Enjoy your homemade carnival treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.